Welcome to Turbo Time channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the words adultery, infidelity, bigamy, polygamy, polyandry. Human relationships are delicate matters, especially when it comes to romantic relationships. There are many issues that rise due to various reasons. Adultery and infidelity being two such issues, it is common for these words to be used interchangeably since both these words are used in similar contexts. However, one must discern the true difference between them in order to use them properly in certain contexts. What is adultery? Adultery can be defined as extramarital sex that is highly looked down upon based on social, religious, moral, or legal grounds. Although the concept of adultery exists in almost all societies, the definitions and the consequences vary from one community to another. Adultery tends to have legal consequences, particularly in diverse cases where there exists a fault-based family law. In such cases, adultery is considered grounds for divorce. When considering alimony, property settlement, or the custody of children, adultery in such cases may be deciding factor. Adultery is criminalized in some countries. What is infidelity? Infidelity is known by many names, having an affair or cheating being just two of them. Infidelity occurs when one partner in the relationship has violated a set of norms or rules pertaining to the relationships, resulting in sexual rivalry and jealousy. Infidelity can be either physical or emotional, but mostly to sexual relations outside committed relationships. According to the National Health and Social Survey, 16% of cohabiting men, 4% of married men, and 37% of dating men engage in sexual infidelity, whereas 8% of cohabiting women, 1% of married women, and 17% of women in dating relationships were found to be infidel. Causes for infidelity are found to be sexual dissatisfaction, emotional dissatisfaction, and is found to be common among individuals possessing sexually permissive attitudes. Being well educated, being less religious, living in an urban center, having more opportunities to meet potential partners, having a liberal ideology and values, and being older are found to be factors that contribute towards infidelity among human beings. Adultery and infidelity may both refer to the act of not remaining faithful to one's partner. What is the difference between adultery and infidelity? Adultery and infidelity may both refer to the act of not remaining faithful to one's partner. Both situations arise when one or both parties involved in the relationships are not satisfied of the quality of their love life or the emotional bond they share. However, the two words have a distinct difference that makes it extremely important to recognize the difference between the two. In adultery, at least one of the sexual partners must be married to someone else. Infidelity can occur among both married individuals and committed relationships. Adultery means engaging in physical sexual activity. Infidelity can be either being emotionally or physically engaged. Adultery is considered a criminal offense and has grounds for divorce in certain jurisdictions. Infidelity is not considered as a criminal offense, and neither is it considered grounds for divorce. What is the difference between bigamy and polygamy? Polygamy is defined as the practice or condition of one person having more than one spouse at the same time, conventionally referring to a situation where all spouses know about each other, in contrast to bigamy, where two or more spouses are usually unaware of each other. Bigamy அப்படின்னா ஒரு வாழ்க்கை துணைக்கு தெரியாமல் இன்னொரு வாழ்க்கை துணை வச்சிருக்கிறது, திருமணம் முடிச்சு வச்சிருக்கிறது, வேறு வேறு இடத்துல வச்சிருக்கிறது. பாலிகமி அப்படின்னா ரெண்டுக்கு மேற்பட்ட திருமணம் பண்ணியிருக்கிறது, அது ஆனால் எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சே இருக்கும், தெரிஞ்சே வச்சிருக்கிறது. பிகமினா மோஸ்ட்லி தெரியாமல் வச்சிருக்கிறது. அப்புறம் பாலியாண்ட்ரி அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம்னா மேரேஜ் ஆஃப் எ உமன் டு டூ ஆர் மோர் மென் அட் த சேம் டைம். ஒரு பெண்ணை ரெண்டுக்கு மேற்பட்ட ஆணுக்கு திருமணம் செய்து கொடுக்கறது, தெரிஞ்சே பண்ணி கொடுக்கறது, அது பாலியாண்ட்ரின்னு சொல்கிறது. அதுக்கு உதாரணம் பஞ்சபாண்டவரை சொல்லலாம். தெரிஞ்சே பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா, சகோதரர்களுக்கே திருமணம் செஞ்சு கொடுக்கறது. அதான் பாலியாண்ட்ரி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது. அண்டர் செக்ஷன் 494 ஆஃப் த இந்தியன் பீனல் கோட், if a person marries a second time without a divorce while their spouse is alive, the marriage is considered bigamy, which is punishable offense. In adultery, there is sexual intercourse with wife of another person without its consent or connivance of such person. If sexual intercourse is done with wife with the consent of husband, it is not an offense. In adultery, wife is not punished even though she is also an active and consentive participant in sexual intercourse. This section applies to religions alike. Bigamy is defined under section 494. Concealment of the first marriage and preparing for second marriage is explained in section 495. The offense of bigamy consists in marrying second spouse in the lifetime of the wife or husband and the first marriage is in existence. Consent of wife or husband will not exempt from the offense. The spouse married second time shall be punishable even though she or he obtained the consent letter or release deed from the first spouse. In bigamy, either sex may be guilty.